Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide and steps on how to redeem tremendous gift card. So here is a simple guide and steps for you to be able to redeem tremendous gift card. So the first thing to do is to open the email or message you receive from Tremendous with your gift card reward. Then after that you have to click the redemption link provided in the email. So you will be taken to the Tremendous redemption page. So from there you have to choose the gift card option you want. For example, you can pick the Amazon, Versa or other available brand. Then select the amount you want to redeem. So if multiple options are available, just pick or select, then confirm your choice and click reward. Then you will receive the gift card code or link instantly on the screen and open via email as well. You can copy the code and use it at the retailer's checkout page just like any other gift card, and done. Your tremendous gift card is now redeemed and ready to spend at any checkout page. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.